What's wrong with today's men? It seems like they are showing more interest to being a woman rather than being a man. Just recently, I saw her article in a paper, and that shocked me by just looking the way they dressed and they're talking about the woman empowerment or the sexuality. I mean, if nature gives a two gender, that means they have both equal responsibility. Just because you are just dressing up like a woman and thinking that you are supporting feminism, that doesn't work. And this kind of trait is breaking the balance of the nature. Think about it. Once men were men, women were women, and then time changes. Women started becoming a man, and this declined lot of things. For example, population, children's health. Now we have a ton of children health issues, especially mentally, losing their mother. While also women are becoming very toxically, if I comment in this way, it's called toxic masculinity. But the fact is, it is out of control now. No, men should awake, or else the balance will go. This time, men will become a totally feminist or totally toxic masculinity. The feminine men are going to suppress, become gay, and the sexual life will be decreased. No woman can have a proper boyfriend or a sexual partner, and otherwise, the toxic men will abuse women, and that will increase women's toxic feminism or disconnecting to the men's, and that also leads to a no population. In the end of the day, the entire world will be collapsed. There is an experiment on a rat saying universe 32 or whatever, I can't remember. In that universe, they tried a rat experiment, and in the shockingly end result was rats have started becoming isolated from each other, opposite genders, and end of the day they died. Yes, they died, and I'm afraid this might happen to this universe also. So I am not saying what men are doing right, what women are doing. I am saying men must be men and women must be women. It's opposite. It's vice versa. It's not good for the entire nation or for the ourselves. It's gonna lead to a big problem. I just can't express how it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. Just think about it. Hope you understand. Signing out.